This channel has posted 29 videos. Stick figures, no face, no voice, no animation skill. 26,000 subscribers. It's making $12,000 a month. Today I am giving you the exact system, script, visuals, voice editing so you can build your first one this week. This isn't the fight animation stickman you grew up with. The channel's winning right now tells stories, crime cases, survival, history, and let simple stickman visuals act it out. For this tutorial, I have simplified it down to the easiest possible method, completely free, and the whole thing works with one prompt. Whether you are going for finance content, motivation, or comedy, this single setup handles all of it. And to prove it's real, here's a 30-second clip I made using this exact process.
Meet the world's most confident thief and the world's most distracted security guard. Everything went perfectly, or so he thought. Then disaster struck. He forgot his wallet inside the display case. The guard found the wallet, complete with the thief's own ID. Sometimes the funniest criminals don't get caught. They catch themselves.
Quick head up, the video you just watched was made entirely with AI. Before we get into it, if this is useful, drop a like and subscribe so you don't miss the next workflow I share. Alright, let's get into it. First thing you need is a chatbot. I am using ChatGPT for this whole process. Head over to the document where I have saved the full Stickman prompt. This one works for any style of Stickman video you want to build. Copy the entire thing start to finish, then paste it into ChatGPT. Instead of just spitting out a video right away, it's going to interview first, asking one question at a time so everything stays organized. Let's go through it. First, it asks which platform this is for, Instagram Reel, YouTube Shorts, or a regular YouTube video. I will pick YouTube Shorts, which locks in a vertical 9:16 format. Next, it asks for the topic. I'm going with a crime story for this one. Then it asks how long you wanted a video, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, 1 to 3 minutes. I will pick the shortest option since we are making a short. After that, it asks if you already have storyline or want it to generate one for you. I will let it generate one based on the topic I picked. Next, it asks how many characters are in the story and what they should look like. I will go with the simple default option, 2 characters, each one with distinguished detail like a hat or a badge, so they are easy to tell apart. Then it asks for the visual style. I am going with the simple flat black and white look. Last question, what tone the narration should have? Options like calm, documentary style, etc. I will pick comedic and light for this one. Once you answer all 7 questions, ChatGPT writes out the complete story first, start to finish as plain narration, no scenes here. Make sure you like it. Now it splits your story into scenes, and for each one it gives you an image prompt, a video motion prompt, a voiceover line, and a sound effect cue, all tied back to the logged character sheet and the base image. Copy just the image prompt for scene 1 first, not the animation prompt yet. Now head over to the Google Flow, start a new project, and go to settings. Make sure image mode is selected. Set your aspect ratio to match what you picked earlier. Paste it in the image prompt and hit send. Few seconds, you will get 2 similar images. Just pick whichever looks better. Repeat this exact process for every remaining scene. Copy the image prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Google Flow, generate and pick your favorite. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 1. Back in Flow, drag your first image into the timeline, paste it in the motion prompt and hit send. Repeat for every scene, copy the matching motion prompt, drag in matching line. Repeat for every scene, copy the matching motion prompt, drag in the matching image, paste and send. Once every clip is generated, just download it. And done. Back in ChatGPT, copy the full voiceover script from the final assembly note, paste it into 11's lib and hit generate. Once it's ready, download it. Time to edit, I'm using Clipchamp. Import your clips in order, drag in the voiceover, and line everything up so the visuals match the narration. Go through each clip and trim out any part that feels off or doesn't quite match what's being said. This is where you tighten up everything. Add auto captions, and once it's all lined up, watch the video through one last time before exporting.
Meet the world's most confident thief and the world's most distracted security guard. Everything went perfectly, or so he thought. Then disaster struck. He forgot his wallet inside the display case. The guard found the wallet, complete with the thief's own ID. Sometimes the funniest criminals don't get caught. They catch themselves.
And that's the entire process, start to finish. One prompt, a simple workflow, and a video that's ready to post. If you have ever wondered how those mechanical toy transformation videos are made, I have got a full video on that too. Go check it out right here. See you in the next one.